Good morning, everyone. This is Professor Fair here with you today to talk about my new ThinkPad Yoga. I have ordered this because I think it will be very helpful for taking notes and doing some lectures where I might want to be writing some notes. My plan is to use it for doing up my physical chemistry notes for you. So I thought you might enjoy seeing what it looks like. I've actually taken it out of the packing carton. It came last night. I had a night class last night, so I haven't gotten a chance to open it. But here we have the box, and so let us take the plunge and open this up and see what's inside. It's well packaged. I do see there's a few creases in the box, so I guess it's good they packaged it up as well. It was inside of another outer packing carton, and I did get a couple other accessories which I can show you guys at some point. This is what we've got. Now let's see. All right, here's the box, and this is what we can see inside. I see a nice shiny Lenovo logo in there, and very good cushioning in here, the usual way. This is a nice convenient box here. This is probably the power supply. Let's see what's inside. Plastic, empty plastic bag. Yep, this is our power supply all packed up really nicely. They always do a really nice job with that. I'm glad to see this has the ties on it. That's always helpful. And they have these nice protectors on the outlet. So this, of course, will just plug in here like so. Like so. And power supply is ready to go. I guess it was supposed to be inside this bag, but that didn't happen. Anyways, it's in good condition. Anything else? All right, this box is now empty. Back in. And let's take a look. All right, so now I have enough space to get in this box. And I guess foam off the top. And now the box. This is very square. They do an excellent job with packing these things. They're going to be in good condition when they arrive. All right, so we have this beautiful box here. It actually feels quite robust, almost like maybe it's heavy duty cardboard or plastic. And we have this iridescent Lenovo logos on the outside. I hope it's actually on the box because it's kind of nice looking. Look at that. Oh, you can see those. All right. Let us look this out. Oh, no, it is on the plastic, the iridescent stuff. I'll see if I can cut this nicely to mitigate damage to the label. Let's see. I could just cut along the plastic seam here so it will preserve as much of this as possible. All right, just cut a little T here so I can slide this out. This over here. See, oh, yep, that's gonna work. Not sure I'll ever get this box back in this paper. Oh yeah, that's just so nice. Ta-da! I really like the iridescent Lenovo stuff on here. Oh, there's even this little sticker here. It says Lenovo. I guess this is supposed to be the pull tab. But I'm glad I was able to take this off without too much damage. All right, let me just move this, put that aside. Now, here we have this box. It looks like a gift box even. How nice. All right, so let's try to take this cover off. And oh, it's out. Some kind of fabric. Let's see what this is like. Check this out. Oh, and there it is. Oh, it's like a little case for it. Just, I guess, like a little temporary one. It's a kind of like a fabric fiber kind of a thing, and excessive use may cause damage to your vision. Yeah, well, I use computers constantly, as does just about everybody. Oh, look at this. Oh, this is so cute. It's just a little tab. It's not like, it's just very thin. It's very thin. Definitely you want to have a protector for your laptop. But this was actually just a really nice thing to ship it in. Yeah, it's just really thin. Cute little fabric cover, and here it is. Ta-da! All right. Wow, it's pretty light. Probably weighs maybe 2 or 3 pounds. There's probably some place where it tells us exactly how much. Now there is some label down here. It says, oh, this is the Windows sticker. Down here. So it should be Windows installed. This feels really solid up here. We have some bracket. This is supposed to be swinging around, so they've done a really good job with that. It looks like that will hold up to lots of bending back and forth, which is good. I see we have, this is for the power supply. We have 2 USB-Cs, headphone jack, and power button, and this is USB slot. All right, so pretty good. Ah, yes, and this is the garage pen. Shall we see? How do you do that? Oh, I thought you might push and pull, but you don't. You just pull it out. It just slides in. Okay, there's the stylus. This probably has an orientation of how it fits. Yes, like this. And it slides in. It feels very metallic. So yeah, this is metallic. It's not a cheap plastic. I also see it's got these little contacts here, so this must be for the charging of it. So it should auto charge while it's garaged in there. All right, so it says Yoga 9 series on this. Let's open it up. It's got a little lip. The thing about this is, how do you, I feel like I don't have anything to pull against to open it. Oh yeah, it's not too bad. Here it is. Yep, I just got this L040 hinge. I cannot read most of what this says, unfortunately. But perhaps somebody in our audience will be able to read this. It looks like some kind of packing slip or something. And here's the screen. Let's see. Oh, it does have the camera integrated, so that will be really nice. Please remove. This got a little film up here. And in the typical way, it can hide the camera and not. So this will be nice for the recording. It says Intel Core i7, which is the same as the machine I'm recording on. This has got an NVIDIA GeForce GTX which is very nice. And this will be a serious machine. This will be better than just using a tablet. So this Yoga 9i 15.6 inches, HDR vibrant display, NVIDIA GTX, the Dolby Atmos rotating sound bar. That's this right here. It's integrated in the hinge. That's cool. And a QR code for the support. And also we have here the touch for the when you want to log in. Very nice. And of course the touchpad here. Okay, so shall we press the power button and see what happens? May not be charged up yet. And it looks like it is not charged. So we'll have to come back to you with more on this after we have had the chance to charge it up. That's a little disappointing. I had wanted to test this out before I go to work today. All right, let's try the folding of it though. Oh, the hinges are very smooth. Look at this. It's actually double hinged. You see there's 2 points of rotation right here. Both of these are fit in. And this, what I think is the sound bar, is in the middle, holding it together. But that feels really solid. My goodness. I feel like I'm gonna break it, but it doesn't. Okay, and it makes the tablet. It folds nicely. There's a bit of overhang on the back, but it's good. It actually fits quite nicely. I probably want to have this, on something because I feel like one would accidentally touch the keys and so on. But then I suppose you can use this surface for the writing. So yeah, the screen is beautiful though. It's very shiny. I wonder if I should get a screen protector for this in some sense, but it looks terrific. I can't wait to plug it in, but unfortunately, you're going to have to wait for that till next time. So glad you could be with us. I hope you've enjoyed looking at the product so far, and I'll be sure to share it more with you in the future. Enjoy your day.